Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your learning environment with Pinterest, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Pinterest account if you don't already have one. Log into your Pinterest account and begin by searching for educational resources. Use keywords like study space, learning environment, and organization tips to find relevant pins. As you browse, save pins that resonate with your learning style and preferences. Create boards dedicated to specific aspects of your learning environment. Consider boards for study spaces, organization hacks, and inspirational quotes. Once your boards are set up, focus on optimizing your physical space. Clear out any distractions from your study area, including unnecessary items. Choose a comfortable seating arrangement that promotes focus. Adjust the lighting in your space to avoid strain and create a pleasant ambience. Add personal touches like plants or artwork to inspire creativity. Next, examine your digital learning tools by searching for productivity apps on Pinterest. Pin ideas for apps and tools that can enhance your study sessions. Organize your research materials and online resources in a way that is easily accessible. Look for tips on time management and scheduling to plan your study sessions effectively. Consider implementing the Pomodoro technique for better focus and productivity. Find study techniques and methods that have worked for others. Experiment with different approaches to see what resonates with you. Incorporate breaks into your study routine to avoid burnout. Finally, revisit your Pinterest boards regularly to update your learning environment. Continuously seek new ideas and inspiration to keep your study space fresh and motivating. By optimizing your learning environment with Pinterest, you can create a space that enhances your focus and productivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.